Now you can add a link to Facebook story. Now if you just go to Facebook right now and tap on stories, we can just select one for our story. Now after you select one for your story, as you can see in different options on your story, there is no option to just add a link. So if you can scroll through, you can search everywhere, but there is not a single option to add a link to your Facebook story. Now there is a way to add a link to your Facebook story, but it's through Instagram. So let's just open up your Instagram and just add a story there. Now after you've just gone to your Instagram and opened up your story, you can just tap on the stickers icon, and there you will get your option to add a link right here. You can see right below poll. Now just tap on link and just add a link. Now if you've copied it already, it's gonna be easier. I'm just gonna add YouTube and just leave it right here. Now while you're adding your story, long press on it and make sure that you select your Facebook too. Make sure you share it with your Facebook friends. Now tap on share. Now let it load. Let it share first. Now there you can see the story's been uploaded on my Instagram. Now I can visit the link too. Now let's just go to our Facebook now. Now just reload your Facebook profile, and there you can see the story has been uploaded. Now you can see there, if you tap on the link, you'll be able to visit the link. So that is how you add an link to your Facebook story, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.